Hey everyone! Becoming a Shopify partner in 2026 is the best way to build stores for clients, develop apps, or earn commissions through referrals. Unlike a standard store account, a partner account is free and gives you unlimited development stores to practice your skills. Step 1. Access the Partners portal. We are starting at the Shopify Partners homepage. We do this to ensure you are signing up for the professional ecosystem rather than just a standard merchant trial. Go to shopify.com/partners. Click Join Now. If you already have a personal Shopify ID from shopping or a previous store, use it to sign in. This links all your Shopify activities to one email for easier management. Step 2. Complete your business profile. Now we are filling out the partner application. We do this so Shopify can categorize your account and provide the right tools for your specific goals. Fill in your business name, you can use your own name if you're a freelancer, and website. You'll need to provide a physical address. Shopify will ask how you plan to use the account. Select the option that fits best, such as building new stores for clients or developing apps. This determines which tutorials and resources appear on your dashboard. Step 3. Confirm and explore your dashboard. We are finishing with the account activation. This is the moment you gain access to the full suite of developer tools and the affiliate marketplace. Agree to the Partner Program Agreement and click View Your Dashboard. Look for the Stores tab on the left. Click Add Store and select Development Store. These stores are free forever and never expire as long as they stay in development mode, making them the perfect sandbox for testing new themes or code. If you are a freelancer, you build the entire site here. You only transfer it to the client when it's ready to go live. At that point, the client chooses a plan and you start earning a recurring 20% commission on their subscription. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.